Let me welcome on board Kunal as well as Nooresh and find out what the trade setup is looking like. Gentlemen, hi, morning. Kunal, once again, the GIFT Nifty is indicating a quiet start, but we're also kickstarting a brand new series. Tell me what the market construct is looking like for this series.
Well, we've ended the series of in fact, the August month entirely in slight negative note, 2%, 2.5% down for the Nifty and 3.5 to 4% down on the Bank Nifty. But then there are, there have been good parts and difficult parts about the markets in this series so far, because we've seen emergence of the media sector, metal stocks making a very good comeback. Chemicals have made a very good comeback in the last couple of trading sessions, short covering in many of the PSU banking stocks, etc. But on the other hand, there has been definite underperformance in the FMCG, the private sector banking stocks, etc. Net, when you look at the last 5 or 6 months of price movement, after 5 consecutive months, this is the first month where we ended the index on a negative note. So we will call this as a mild consolidation or a correction in the process of a strong uptrend. 90,300 still remains to be a key pivot. So even though we've closed below that level, but the margin of closing is very, very tepid. So we'll probably wait out for a decisive close below that 90,300 mark, say by a margin of at least 100 points, and then look out for initiating fresh positions.
Okay, yep, after 4 months is when we wrapped up in the red for the month of August. Nooresh, let's get in your take then. How do you see the month of September shaping up? Yesterday was a close with a downtick of about 0.5%.
So we could be looking at a fresh start on a lot of stocks because what has happened for the whole month of August is we did not have a trending move anywhere, at least in the top 100, 200 names. It was very, very selective. The heavyweights did nothing. And at the same time, the Nifty also ended up at the same place. We've been in this tight range, 19,250, 300 on the downside, 19,600 on the upside. And the case is right now from today onwards or by next week, we could see much more say trending moves across the heavyweights also. So watching out for stocks, we've started seeing some names like a Mahindra and Mahindra hit a new all-time high, Maruti hit a new all-time high. So the stage is set for trending moves for the month.